Today we are going to be talking about wood glue versus Gorilla Glue. These are two of the most popular types of glue on the market, and they're both great for different projects. So which one is right for you? Let's find out. Wood glue. Wood glue is a water-based adhesive that is made from PVA. It's clear, dries clear, and non-toxic. This glue is a good choice for most woodworking projects, including furniture, cabinets, and trim. It's also a good choice for gluing plywood and veneer. Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue is a polyurethane adhesive that is made from a combination of polyurethane resins and other additives. It's clear, dries clear, and non-toxic. Gorilla Glue is a good choice for projects that requires a strong and durable bond, such as outdoor furniture decks and boats. It's also a good choice for gluing metal, plastic, and rubber. So, which one is better, wood glue or Gorilla Glue? It really depends on your needs. If you need a strong glue that is easy to use and affordable, wood glue is a good option. If you need a glue that is water resistant and can be used for both indoor and outdoor projects, Gorilla Glue is a good option. To sum up, ultimately the best type of glue for your project will depend on the specific needs of the project. If you're not sure which type of glue to use, I recommend doing some research and reading reviews. You can also ask a professional for advice. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when choosing between wood glue and Gorilla Glue. Price. Wood glue is typically less expensive than Gorilla Glue. Ease of use. Wood glue is generally easier to use than Gorilla Glue. Application. Wood glue is typically used for indoor projects, while Gorilla Glue can be used for both indoor and outdoor projects. Strength. Wood glue is generally considered to be stronger than Gorilla Glue. Water resistance. Gorilla Glue is more water resistant than wood glue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on my future videos. Thanks for watching.